Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the live photo you want. This matters because only live-enabled images animate. Open Photos, find the live shot, and tap Edit to trim or set the best key photo. This improves framing and reduces unwanted frames. Make sure the live photo icon at the top is active so the image retains motion. Once done, tap Done to save changes. This ensures the live data persists when you assign it as wallpaper. Next, assign the live photo to your lock screen because live wallpapers animate on press there. Tap Share and choose Use as Wallpaper, or open Settings, right arrow Wallpaper, right arrow, Add New Wallpaper, and select the live photos album. Position and pinch to scale so the subject sits where you want it. This prevents awkward cropping. Make sure Live is enabled in the preview so you'll see motion when you press the screen. Then tap Set and choose Lock Screen to apply. Finally, lock your phone and press the lock screen to confirm the live photo animates. That tactile press is what triggers the effect. If it doesn't move, check Settings, right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Motion, and make sure Reduce Motion is off because that setting disables wallpaper animations. If animation data seems missing, reopen the live photo, re-edit and save, or restart your iPhone to refresh system services. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.